Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to have multiple charts on TradingView. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on TradingView, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, having multiple charts open on TradingView can incredibly useful for traders and investors who need to monitor various aspects of the market simultaneously. Now, once you are on the dashboard of your TradingView, I need you to hover to the charts of your choice. Now, once you are inside the charts, all you're gonna do is go to the unnamed section on the upper panel. I need you to click on create a new layout. Right? What will happen is you can, of course, create one layout depending on your subscription plan. Right now, I'm only using basic, so I have one. My plan has a limit of one save chart layout, but no stress, you can upgrade your plan to save more layouts. So if you wanted to scale up, go for the essential plan or the premium standard, which is infinite. All right? You can click on the 30-day free trial, click on that. And the new panel will be added here, and simply all I'm gonna do is create a new layout as much as you wanted. It's a very straightforward process. The thing is, multiple chart allows you to compare different securities, currencies, and of course, this is especially useful for spotting correlations or divergences between different markets, because you have the option to see different markets, which can lead to better informed trading decisions by viewing a single asset across multiple time frames. It's a common strategy used to gain more comprehensive view of the market's behavior. For example, in my experience, you can have a daily chart to view the long-term trend, like for example, an hour chart of medium-term trends and a 5-minute chart for intraday trading. And of course, this helps everyone in identifying trends, support and resistance levels, and potential entry and exit points when you use the platform. And again, as I've mentioned, when creating multiple charts on TradingView, you need to simplify your trading by upgrading to a different plan. In my opinion, it would be nice to click the 30-day free trial, because from here, it's no commitment, all right? You can choose to be a non-professional private subscriber or a professional commercial subscriber by clicking on the confirm and continue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.